Oh, so I've started putting this sticker on, and then I realized I wasn't actually recording. So I made these coasters. I just added a little bit of the green apple octopus ink that I got from Laura's Art Corner. And I just kind of poured it before it became too thick. So cause mischief is your hobby and trouble's your passion. Yeah, you a sneaky one, always creeping in the dark. Got a shadow full of trouble and a pocket full of sparks. Every step you take is twisted, every word you drop is sharp. Yeah, you a sneaky one, trying to play the villain part. Shady like a street light with a busted glow. Gotta double check my pockets when you say hello. Got a vibe so slick it should come with a warning. Even sunrise sees you coming and delays the morning. You the master of mayhem, king of the slide. Got more schemes in your sleeve than stars in the sky. If patience is a virtue, you allergic to the trait. Always knocking on disaster like you're showing up late. Yeah, you a sneaky one, always creeping in the dark. Got a shadow full of trouble and a pocket full of sparks. Every step you take is twisted, every word you drop is sharp. Yeah, you a sneaky one. Oh, man, you make it goodness. All right, let me trim these since I don't want to break the seal. The less I have around the sticker, the better off I'll be when it comes time to peeling them off. Because the only part that's sticky is the part that's not, the part that's clear, that's not covering the UVDTF. So there's that one. Okay. So cute.
I've got sticky stuff. Okay. Okay. I will mix up some resin and be right back. Did you ever have one of those days where you have your resin spinning, mixing away in your Resiners dual-headed mixer, and then you go into the kitchen and you forget that it's going? Yeah, that was me just now. So my resin's been mixing for about 15 minutes, although it's just about bubble free, even after, you know, scraping the sides and the bottom and all the things. Yeah. Oh Lord, I got sidetracked, I got squirreled. It's always something with me. Always something. And I was gonna add some super sparkle glitter additive to this, but it's hot and I don't have time because I don't want it to flash cure. I'm telling you what, if I had a brain, I'd be dangerous. And of course, I don't have my gloves, so I can't do any of that. All right, so I am, where's my little work tool? I didn't do this the last time, and I can see a bubble in the corner on that top one, but whatever. Okay, so I am going to let these set a few minutes, then I'm going to pop the bubbles with a long neck lighter, and I will be back with you for the demold and the glamour shots. Okay guys, time for demold. Not that it's really, I mean, I think we can all see them. So I think the bubbles were on that very first layer. Or maybe not. I don't know. There we go. Oh no, this was the layer that I forgot about. Right. Yeah. So there's lots of bubbles, but they're still cute. Alright, well I will put up some glamour shots. In the meantime, if you could do me a favor and like, subscribe, leave me a comment, tell me what you think of my Grinchy coasters. I'll put the QR codes up for the Buy Me a Coffee and the YouTube subscription for the TV. And I will see you guys for the next one. Alright, take care. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.